Hi, Duane Henderson with Cree Lighting's training and education team, and I'm joined by
Ryan Jansen, product manager here at Cree Lighting, covering the canopy and garage categories.
And today we're here to announce the launch of our exciting new CPY400 recessed canopy and soffit luminaire. So Ryan, at a really high level, let's talk about the CPY400.
Yeah, so the canopy category has been very important to Cree Lighting for years. We introduced the first ever LED canopy fixture with the Edge series back in 2007, and through years of continuous improvement, now we've arrived at the CPY400.
And let's talk about some of the typical applications where the CPY400 can add some value.
Yeah, so the CPY400 is a great fixture to be used in the petroleum space under gas canopies, but also outside of the petroleum space, you can see it used in banking canopies, quick serve restaurants, or really anywhere that you might see a canopy or soffit luminaire.
We've been really impactful under the canopy, both with our CPY250 and more recently our launched CPY500. Where's the CPY400 fit?
Yeah, so the CPY250 and the CPY500 will be sticking around in our family. The CPY400 is designed, is going to be replacing our Canopy 228 fixture.
This one?
And it'll be a great use for new construction, but also for users in the 228 series today who are looking for an LED to LED conversion.
So I mentioned LED to LED conversions. If I have the 228 series under my canopy today and I want to convert to the CPY400, what's some of the value delivered and how might that be executed?
Absolutely. So one of the biggest advantages you're going to see is going to be an energy savings. The CPY400 here has over 40% savings in energy, and that's with efficacy numbers over 150 lumens per watt. In terms of the mechanical execution, we've designed this for a seamless transition under the canopy, with this fixture on the table here being 10 pounds lighter than the 228 series there. And then you're just going to get overall better light.
All right, let's talk about some of the differences between our 228 series and the CPY400 that's designed to replace it. You mentioned better energy performance for sure from the CPY400, but also better light. I know that the 228 series used our optic technology. What type of optical control are we using with the CPY400?
Yeah, the CPY400 will be using our patented NanoComfort Technology. One of the big advantages you're going to get with that is its visual comfort and reduction in glare. Additionally, that energy savings driven by mid-powered LEDs, and then also you're going to get the ability to control that light better.
You mentioned optics. I noticed the CPY400 has a new optic, a forward throw optic. Let's talk about the offerings from the CPY400.
Absolutely. So the CPY400 will have the petroleum symmetric and the sparkle petroleum optics that you saw in the 228 series. But to your point, we are introducing a new forward throw optic. And where you'll often see this optic is on the edge of canopies, usually in a petroleum station environment. And it's designed to light up the forecourt area between the canopy and the store. And this really prevents the need to have any sort of lighting like a floodlight on top of the canopy.
Let's talk about some other differences. I noticed the 228 series, when you ordered it, was by number of LEDs. It's a little different with the CPY400. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, with the CPY400, the small size will be replacing the 30 LED on the 228 series, and the same goes for the medium with the 60 LED and that large with the 90 LED. And these will range in lumens from 6,000 to 20,000.
So let's talk about some other differences. The 228 series, as far as CCT, it was standard 5700K 70 CRI, and then pretty limited 4000K 70 CRI option. That's been expanded quite a bit with the CPY400.
Yeah, so with the CPY400, we have the new 3000K option at 80 CRI, and then we've also added the 90 CRI options to 4000K. And then at 5000K, we have the 70 and the 90 CRI options.
So the 90 CRI for really good color rendering, really important, especially for C-stores when branding and the outdoor space is really, really critical. So we've talked about what's different between the 228 series and our new CPY400. Let's talk about some of the similarities between these products.
Definitely. So CPY400 will also fit in those 12-inch wide decks. It's compatible with single or double skin canopies. And as you can see here, has that same rectangular recessed aesthetic to it. And it also has a driver box that is accessible from below for maintenance.
Great. And soffit mount applications?
Yes, we do have a soffit mount, which will be available in our small size.
And that's available in both IC and non-IC rated ceilings. Built right on the other side of the wall here in Racine, Wisconsin.
Yep, that is correct. And it has our 10-year warranty.
Okay, and it's available in white, black, bronze, and silver. The finish is also our exclusive Delta Guard finish. It's also back with a 10-year warranty. Time to wrap up. Why should our customers use our new CPY400?
Absolutely. The CPY400 is a great addition to our Canopy family alongside the CPY250 and the CPY500. It will utilize NanoComfort Technology, which offers that great visual comfort, the great energy savings, and then that added control as well too, which can be seen in that forward throw optic we added, which is a great solution for petrol stations and any other Canopy use. Also, the 400 is a direct replacement for the 228 when it comes to size, but a major upgrade when it comes to performance and features.
Thank you, Ryan, for sharing more information about our new CPY400 series, and thank you to our audience for joining us.